What's going on, everybody? Emeka coming at you here, and check this out. This is my I guess you can call this my income reports since I don't do them formally anymore. But check this out. Can you see this? Yeah, where are we? $13,000, $13,002.04 for the month of May. April, I did 14,900 and change. But what this means it's not a fluke. This means it's not a fluke. And you might be like, what are you talking about, Emeka? You've been working your butt off, and of course it's not a fluke. Well, that's not exactly true. Here, I'm gonna grab a seat. And this is just gonna be an informal video. I'll put this up on my leg, so try to make it as I'm gonna get rid of the viewfinder so I can talk to you more. Just make sure I'm still in frame. All right, cool. When I hit the first $10,000 last April, we did 14,000. When I first hit it, there was always that doubt in my mind. And I don't know if I've never actually talked about this on camera, so this will be the first time, but I don't know if you can relate, but when I hit it, it was exciting. It was cool, and I was getting so many congratulations and everything from so many other people. But deep down inside, I always thought there might have been a bit of luck or a bit of fluke, whatever the case is, but I wasn't 100% certain that I could do it again. And, you know, so, and I guess now that I'm saying it, like, was I 100%? You know what? The truth is, I don't really know. I don't know exactly if I was 100% certain or if there was just that self-doubt that I was battling with over the last month, whether or not I could actually do it. But now that May's in the books, and I'm actually still missing one report from Ingram Spark, so that'll be a few $100s higher. They're just having some issues with their reporting system. But now I did it back to back. It dropped a little bit by about almost $2,000, but the bottom line is I did another 10,000 plus month. That means it's not a fluke. That means all the hard work, the skills that I've been developing over the last 18, 20 months, whatever it's been, they're really starting to pay off and come through. And that's exciting. That is, I think hitting it, I don't know what was more exciting, probably hitting it the first time, but that's really cool. It gives me a sense of, man, okay, I know I can do this. Now I need to go bigger. Now I need to scale up and take it to a higher level. Now I need to really, really act like a entrepreneur or business owner at a much higher level than I am. And thank God I have somebody there to support me. D1, if you're watching this, buddy, love you. Thank you so much for everything you've been doing for me, for keeping me in line and, you know, setting me straight when I need to be set straight and pushing me beyond my boundaries and my capabilities. Bro, love you. Okay, cannot wait to see you in Cancun. And I'm really, really excited now that I have that confidence, I guess you would call it, that, hey, I know I can smash through 10K. I've done it multiple months in a row now. Let's go for 20. And this is really, really cool. And it goes back, like if any of you are watching this and you're brand new, like when I hit my first $1,000 a month with publishing, I didn't know if I could do that again. I thought it was a fluke. When I hit my first 2,000, I was like, oh, okay, maybe I can. Then I hit 2,000 again, and I was like, wait a minute, I know what I'm doing, or thought I knew what I was doing. I'm figuring it out, but the bottom line, it wasn't a fluke. So I have that self-doubt at times still. That is something that probably never goes away. You just have to learn how to manage it and work with it. And I think it might be healthy that it's there, but then using it to fuel yourself to say, no, yes, you can do this. Or maybe, you know, when I think about it, maybe that's what the masters really do. Like, you know, people who are on a whole different level than me. You know, do they still suffer from some of that self-doubt when they're trying to like hit their first million? And when they hit it, do they think, hey, okay, I hit it this one time, can I do it again? So it's just kind of an interesting thing. Let me know what you think. One, do you suffer from any like self-doubt like that? What I've been explaining, trying to explain. And two, do you think it does go away, or do you just learn how to manage it to the point where it's you know, a tiny little voice and you just completely nah, I got this. And I'm thinking it might be more of that. You know, it's like turned into that tiny little voice and you just, nah, I got this. I got this, little Emeka. Shut up. Go hide. Go play some games. Let the big boy Emeka got to play now. All right, you got work to do. So, but yeah, so super, super exciting. Hey, if you want to do a quick income breakdown, I can run you through that all. Do I still have my numbers up? Yeah, I do. Okay, am I still in frame here? Okay, so really, really quick. It's going to be about 1,700 or so from publishing, 87 from my personal brand, affiliate marketing, affiliate sales from just promoting other people's stuff and things like that. That jumped up almost $2,000, and then other online income was just under $900 there. That dropped a little bit. I wonder why that dropped. I wonder what was missing, or if anything was missing. I don't know, but. Second month in a row, I've emailed my accountant, said I need a bookkeeper, a good one. I don't care what the cost is, just get me a bookkeeper. It's definitely getting to the point that I need to stay way more organized, to count every single dollar that's coming in so it can be reported correctly to my friends over in the CRA, and of course to track my expenses so I can maximize my tax write-offs the best that I can. But I'm excited. I'm going to get back to some work right now, but I just wanted to film a quick little update video on where May wrapped up. Really, really excited. And I cannot wait. The goal is to hit 30K by the end of August. So August, we want to do at least $30,000 that month. So super excited about that. I got some big things that I'm going to be releasing and announcing over the next little bit. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, excited to move forward. Speak to you all soon, all right? Take care.